Hey guys, the mythical Facebook customer service, the creature everyone's heard of but few have actually seen. Let's be real, Facebook, or rather Meta, doesn't have a traditional call this number and talk to a human setup, but there are legit ways to reach them if you know where to dig. So go straight up to the Meta Help Center. You can go back to your screen or use Facebook for that matter. Click menu on the bottom right, scroll a little bit down, press help with support, and go to the support. All right, and you're gonna see right here the help center. Right, this is the main portal for reporting bugs, managing accounts, ads or pages, recovering hacked accounts, monetization, or policy issues. Just search your problem, account access page, appeal disabled account, payment issues, etc. Most solutions are buried deep there. You just have to click through few layers. Secondly, contact Facebook via chat for page owners or advertisers. So if you manage a Facebook page, run ads, or use Meta Business Suite, you can get actual human chat support. Go to the facebook.com/business/help and scroll down to find contact us or contact support or chat with the representative. Right, let me go back to my screen. Facebook.com/business/help. All right. Scroll a little bit down to find get support or chat. Hold on. Get support at the top. And log in with your account and select your issue. All right. Note, chat support is only available during business hours and mainly for accounts with active ad spend or business pages. Step 3. If your account is disabled or hacked, if your personal account got disabled, go to the facebook.com /help/contact. Fill out my personal Facebook account is disabled form, attach your ID, passport, license, etc. and submit. Right? You'll get an email from support.facebook.com if they decide to review your case. So facebook.com/help/contact. You'll be taken to the support, right? And as you can see right here, you won't be able to find it. So I'm gonna use Facebook for that. Hit the menu, report a problem. Go ahead to continue to report. If you want to include screenshots, you can do that. If you don't, just hit don't include and select the problem, which is your account. Feed, no. Camera by so. Video, nope. Profile, and then type what's wrong. You will get an email from support.facebook.com if they decide to review your case. Step 4. If you're having ad or payment issues, go to the business or facebook.com/business/help. Click get support, choose billing, payments, or ad account. We just went through this, this website. If chat is available in your region, a live agent pops up. Step 5. If you manage a creator page or monetized account, just go to the facebook.com/help/contact/creators support. Here you can appeal demonetization, fix payout issues, report ad break problems. If you really want a number, right, but here's the catch. Facebook does not offer direct phone support. There are numbers floating online like +1 650 543 400 4800, but those lead to a recorded message saying we don't provide phone support. So don't waste your time dialing. So The last step, which is optional, sometimes tweeting at them or messaging their verified pages works faster. Like go to the official Facebook site, official Facebook account. Just type Facebook. Right? And message them. Or Meta for Business or Meta on X. Drop a polite, concise message. Don't rant, and include your case ID if you already submitted a report. So, if your issues are stuck or ignored, submit the same form once per week with updates. Multiple reports spam too close together can get you flagged as a bot behavior. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.